Investing in new windows for your Pasadena home is a smart way to improve energy efficiency, enhance your home's curb appeal, and increase security. Whether you've installed double-hung, casement, or sliding windows, proper maintenance is key to ensuring they continue to perform well and look great for years to come. Pasadena's climate, with its hot summers and mild winters, can be tough on windows, making regular upkeep even more important. Here's a customer-focused guide on how to maintain your new windows after replacement in Pasadena to ensure longevity, performance, and beauty. Regular cleaning to keep windows clear. Keeping your windows clean is essential not only for aesthetics but also for functionality. Over time, dirt, dust, pollen, and debris can accumulate on both the interior and exterior surfaces of your windows, affecting visibility and efficiency. In Pasadena, where air quality can fluctuate with pollen counts and seasonal winds, regular cleaning is especially important. To clean your windows, use a soft cloth or microfiber towel, mild soap, and water. Avoid abrasive cleaners or harsh chemicals, as these can damage the finish or the seals around the glass. For the exterior, especially if you live near a busy road or have trees nearby, it's important to clean your windows every few months or as needed. For the glass itself, you can use a window-specific cleaner or a simple mixture of vinegar and water to get streak-free results. Make sure to also clean the window frames and sills, as dirt can accumulate there and cause mold or mildew growth if left unchecked. Inspect for damage or wear. Your new windows are an investment, so it's important to regularly check for any signs of damage or wear. In Pasadena, weather conditions like intense sun and occasional rain can wear down window seals and frames over time. Take the time to inspect the window panes, frames, and seals for any cracks, leaks, or gaps. Look for signs of moisture buildup or condensation between the panes of glass, which could indicate seal failure. If you notice any of these issues, it's essential to address them promptly to avoid further damage. If the window seals are damaged, it can lead to reduced energy efficiency and potential water leaks into your home. In some cases, you may need to contact a professional window service provider for repairs or to replace the window seals. Lubricate moving parts. Many new windows have moving parts like locks, hinges, or sliding tracks. Regularly lubricating these moving parts will ensure they operate smoothly and last longer. For example, sliding windows or patio doors need periodic lubrication to prevent the tracks from sticking or becoming difficult to open and close. Use a silicone-based lubricant, which is effective for both the tracks and the window locks. Avoid using oils or grease, as these can attract dirt and grime. Spray or apply the lubricant lightly on the moving parts and wipe away any excess. Be sure to check the locks and hinges for any wear, and ensure they function properly to keep your home secure. Inspect and maintain window weather stripping. The weather stripping around your windows helps maintain energy efficiency by preventing air from escaping or entering. Over time, weather stripping can wear down or become damaged, especially in Pasadena's hot summers. Regularly inspect the weather stripping for any cracks, tears, or signs of deterioration. If you notice any issues, replace the weather stripping to maintain a tight seal. This small maintenance task can have a big impact on your home's energy efficiency. Properly sealed windows will prevent drafts, keep your indoor temperature stable, and reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems, saving you money on your utility bills. Protect windows from the elements. Pasadena's sunny climate is perfect for enjoying the outdoors, but the intense UV rays can cause damage to your windows and their components over time. To protect your windows, consider installing window treatments like shades, blinds, or UV protective window films. These will help reduce direct sun exposure and minimize the wear on your windows and furniture. Additionally, keep your windows clean and free from debris that could be blown in by wind or rain. If your windows are exposed to heavy rainfall or storms, it's a good idea to inspect them afterward for any signs of water damage or leaks. Maintain window caulking. Caulking is an essential part of your window's ability to stay sealed and energy efficient. Over time, caulking around your windows can crack or peel, leading to air leaks and potential water infiltration. It's important to check the caulking regularly, especially during the change of seasons when temperature fluctuations can cause the caulking to expand or contract. If you notice cracks or gaps in the caulking, reapply a fresh layer to ensure the seal remains intact. Use a high-quality silicone-based caulk that can withstand weather exposure and prevent moisture from entering your home. Proper caulking can help keep your windows energy efficient and reduce heating and cooling costs. Consider professional inspections and maintenance. While many window maintenance tasks can be handled by homeowners, it's always a good idea to schedule a professional window inspection every few years. A professional can identify hidden issues that you might miss, such as water damage inside the frame or issues with the window's insulation. Additionally, window professionals can handle more complex repairs, such as replacing broken seals or realigning window frames. Professional maintenance ensures that your windows continue to perform at their best and that any potential issues are addressed before they become major problems. Conclusion. Maintaining your new windows after replacement in Pasadena is key to ensuring they continue to provide energy efficiency, beauty, and security for your home. Regular cleaning, inspections, lubrication, and weatherproofing are essential steps that will extend the life of your windows and enhance their performance. By staying on top of maintenance, you'll enjoy the long-term benefits of your window investment, from improved energy savings to enhanced comfort and curb appeal. Whether you're handling basic upkeep yourself or bringing in a professional for an annual inspection, maintaining your new windows will help you get the most out of them for years to come.